Amai mebe nke bido anyị na-elọgụ biko halumo ihu ndị ịza ha biko chebe m ogochi onye oshokọtụ ọkọtụ njaka biko ha maka amaghị m ebe m ga-ebido amaghị m ebe m ga-akwụsị amaghị m ebe m ga-ebido wee kọwa akụkọ ụwa m biko yeah, Bikon, it's alright. It's alright. It's alright. I'm ready. I have good millionaires and wagoners, but don't want to tie a call. I just say, be a call. Nakam we can win up. Now, but I'm going to go on to you. Oh, police, we about one day can detain home. Anagam no bieke gwe no mego ngwi ya karanya na Abuja kan no soko no mego ngwi ya karanya no ko ife na emen ana ma Abuja ayi ni na Nigeria abu Nigeria one Nigeria bu Nigeria o no isi chokwa ai burukwa ya eba enwe ife na eme putoko ma ya ka akọ aya akọ gwe ebe abia si meshi onu mekuko na apụta na social media beku na lie go work take baba gbo gidia egwu that on na imako how many big men when they wash me will like me. Do you know how many big men when they wash me will like me? I don't give a fuck. Skin record me and post me. I don't give a fuck. I'm a celebrity. You only forever. Skin record go and post. Onye kpara nkwa ahụ dị simbole bali ogwo. Onye kpara nkwa ahụ dị simbole bali ogwo. Skin record whatever I want to skin record go and post. I don't give a fuck. For nothing. For nothing. Meanwhile, I will never na share about 50 million. It's not money. Nah, I don't want to verse. I don't want verse. I beg. No, you make just leave me. The only one person what they respect, where I love. My shaman, where I love, I'm the Oliak. The only my shaman, now only Oliak free tell me say, do this, I go. Me say, Ijeri do this, I go do it. No only Oliak, but Oliak make me vest today. You should have known that I'm here to dance. You could see man, I fight against my destiny. Ebute matada bachage. Ebane yuzuru ya sim ibu ori akụ ibu iriri akụ jebe anani mo urumba ifando ondo una do ale mo do na to wum here because we no Ghana actually me invite can that's why I pant can put on TikTok at the blade can put TikTok and just swap pant now I'm screenshot in a post that is why I'm a celebrity now I'm screenshot in a post that is why I'm a celebrity. I don't understand why you leave your child alone and stay in Abuja. Why not go back home? Let me block you. You are very stupid. Very stupid. Let me block your fucking ass, nigga. You are mad. You are mad. Fuck you. Fuck off you. Again, I mute you. I mute and block you. You don't talk to me like that way. Don't talk to me like that. Nah, voila. What do you know? So any time on August 10th na Abuja, Abiamba, Imana flight Abuja to Lagos. It was almost 400 as of last week. I'm a monodona. Mbia she also on third. On 300,000. Go hotel no dear. Chebri they tell you lie. You know the reason before you talk. My shadow of free. All with him pay with 2 million pay. All with him pay with 2 million pay. Shall before Mpona I get the level of my. He gave a hammy a baggy with no. Hammy, what you go back? Go dear. Or you can map Naki had dear labor. None of the book I'm spot there because of go bureau man. That's a mother. Of course, I'm missing him. That's my child. Or you can map with a happy guy, you know, man. Jay compare, wood, the mobile what Jay got back. Come, neg, don't be sorry. Okay, but they will not only what Jay got back. Give you a dear. When I go on the show, oh, do give an aja. I posted that video. And we know what when I want my family. Maybe future because now the guy dead. In fact, we're not future now. And we know who do give an aja. We give us a wake able and damn. I never made something. Give an aja be useless. Oh, I'm not going to a box of gishi. Climb a box of gishi on woman. Enjoy. If I'm a box of woman. Come on, my bed, your box to do everybody. When you're going to go come on, make a peace with you. One. G. Chineke or more. Can come, I can't come to your box. Phone you have 4 auto 1 weekend is unforgettable. I beg in my memory. I will never forget that. I can never come for you. Never. But on a best whenever mortgage saga. Saga. Not only mortgage general. I didn't check where you want. Or she been you still remember my friends. I want to get it. Yeah, but me, but I'm not going to regret them. I will not talk much, but I'm still going to state what happened to me in Abuja. I'm still going to state what happened to me in this Abuja. You want to know why, man? Even I've been on a family house coming up before. Family house woman. So, from that hotel to here. But my so-called people, my brothers, how many mahalo. But I brought from them for just a cousin. Mom and my money. They really dealt with me. My cousin brothers. But it's alright. Ma call you for. Yeah, na say be mission. And I threaten them. I got me to see you getting jaka. Can't be told getting jaka. You get you won't walk. You get is a criminal. I give me to getting job. And I give me to occasion a million now. Get you when you million. I fed my home when you did a million. Only Junaketa want the Nigligi. Only you go want the Nigligi. Go away from Yano. But I'm not go hear anything. We you no gano. Only you go say the Japan. Say take camera. They record. Come on, how will they beat a child and tell the child not to cry? onye asịrị mgbakwara aja ya cry ka nkwu eke na-ege na gbasịrị record repute post mana ga-akwụ ha you're a suspect anyị adịrị ebuo na TikTok wa n'anya ya bụ akaụntụ m enidi m 2 million na akaụntụ m n'enyi I'm very free for anybody to come in. I'm very fucking free for anybody to come in. I want your hijacking. I am for everybody. Ijeli is for everybody. And let me tell you, I know they go people box again. Don't invite me to your box. Do not invite me to your box. I'm not gonna invite me to your box because I won't come. You like your Jane one boss, they come on, Bobby J, they can get another come. Even though a senior celebrity. I am an advocate of my own. Yembu, an advocate on my own. TikTok advocate on my own. You don't come with your box. I know they come your box. Ekele kalisiaka wolomba. Ekele okalisiaka wolomba. Ekele kalisiaka wolomba. State your limits. As from now, mtambafa. Also, nobody 200 now watching can now. Don't give a fuck. I want to put an end to all this mess because I'm more chikounile. So I want to put an end to all this mess. I believe in the more factory of Nasa. But then they want to entertain on now while on social media. I'm not coming in favor of anybody. I want to be on my own. I want to be on my own. Happy Zane can really no Liam can for. I want a matter, Namazulia, call me bastard. I want a lawyer, my own lawyer. Tony Dania, as no matter, call me bomb bastard. On Asham Gap, the Kaman on Mune, I don't want to laka. But I won't come. I told me, nobody gets me angry. I was crying. I don't sleep. I don't sleep yesterday night. I cried till 1. But when they call me, I pretend. Because I don't value my tears anymore. Don't worry. Don't worry. We'll see how it's gonna be. Oh, you know, each one gonna get your court and Jimmy court. Maria Memu close my last card. Maria Memu, I close my last card. Maria Memu close my last card. Enough of this nonsense. Enough of this nonsense. Maria Memu close my last card. Enough of this rubbish. So, who need to go what is happening? Copy what we shame put up, or the command the Melumia, Madame Jacka Mutu. I know Geshi if I get in the content. Or couldn't I know so Geshi if I get mana surprise so Geshi saga material. Mana surprise o Geshi saga material against Sona. I'm going to supply o Geshi saga material. Yes, I want to go Geshi, nene buy, then nene see I. will even ballo good, maybe ballo. Don't mute that person, don't mute her, don't mute her. Don't mute her, don't mute her, don't mute. Let me talk to her, don't mute. Ogechi is your karma and not my own. That was why I came out to let people know what is going on. Go do now, I'm gonna sponsor myself. And then that. Nga prison, man, will get you my karma. But come off ndo also. Look, when a man will come on, I'm okay. I'm okay. Get me a picture. I need you to come and be my karma. Then come teach you listen to it. It's okay, Shima. I'm okay. Put a picture. I'm okay. I'm okay is the next to Saga. Screenshot all of that message, yeah. Screenshot all of that message. Screenshot all message without a picture. Ashawo, the matter never finish you. Ashawo, I got the why. Apunike. The matter never finish. To the age of Bacha Diego. Babacha zero said Tibo. Oh, Ababuzego go get you to Munga. Imano come on, Imano get you go come on. What a picture, yeah? Just go to our profile, screenshot all of me, very simple. Ashawo Magata block on angle. Ashawo Shebina me come live. I say me on a record. About somebody now they play. I don't know say person like you they watch me. Too. Njozo wem mana chomi izobezi. In my wife, I'm actually move on millions to my lawyer. I got to let people know say I mean the sponsor. Make you know better to the person want na me to come. Na me all put away. So I may not be asking no about my camera. You wash out the most it is here. Or you na we born on social media. Can you not born on social media? Oh, court, yeah, my final say. Is it not court that has the final say? Not be court. When I was there, born, sit down the wait. When I was there, born, sit down one place, the listen, the wait, make it sit. Oh, yeah, who never know me way. Oh, you never know me way. Can I call? Oh, no, don't get my camera. Okay, you can't deal with. Okay, Jana, I pack a see back. Here I call a bushy and I call. Okay, you Ojizika Pomafa. Okay, Ojizika Pomafa. Broke harmony and didn't want to from kilo. Broke harmony and didn't want to from kilo. Moderator. Broke harmony and didn't want to from kilo. Broke harmony and didn't want to from kilo. Pier blocking, Ottawa one new, show walk. And I pour hala. A ben up to Mokuno, Motobushi Guzeva. What is this one? I want to let back. Oh, Macaron Josa, hijack ya, why you hijack ya, go bear neighbor. A genius Malonia Melino. Uno Calite, why you go with the lawyer, then a money Melidia. A chum died to him request ever. I don't know about the saga. A chomia. I need them that in here. Chomia here. Chomia here. Because Goddess can send request. I'm not talking to you. Oh no, Carissa, why you go with the lawyer? Came on like only Jamunga. Ya only Jamunga. You can say why you go with the lawyer. Ya keep body a jenga and forget. If I wait, why you go with the lawyer? Malone or your town, my because I don't smart. Mango or day two. I'm a chip. I'm a gun plan on more system on, but I'm a chip. Masters on Noya. When you know, I'm a below. I don't come in the silver side. See, I'm in a very. Who's Chineke Woo? Be noisy here. Let me tell you something. Mona Okoro. It's a Iwoti Kaiband. Iwoti. I take your oath. Mana ona abokoro buti ka e gba ndu buti ka mana o gba ndu mana ge gba ndu na mana okoro mfe lo ge igbo mana ge kwuru whether business or anything ibuti ya gba ndu. Goddess. Goddess.
Oh.
Okwa network. Now let me tell you something. When I open in anything, it's okay. I want. Mfelo kan wo Igbo. Money. I am not here to talk about anyone. But I remember to let you people know that God belong all why I no strong. Okay, well I could because so many people he not be ever feel no so person can me fa can the matter. Come on, what was it? Was it Bunkita? They will make content. Go live, use me style. I'm send people more. But I will defeat you. Or the ending. Or ending you. I will defeat you. So, I will even better come good. If I get to one, you make it. I never offend anybody. I mean, on a low key. Goddess, if you know what you want,
Wow, for a reason.
Goddess.
Enwe ihe mụ achọkwara ikwu. Ịma na for the fact no ijele, they will turn the narrative around. Secondary, enwe ihe bụ na mmadụ pụta kwuo ka o si wee deli ya. People die in silence because ha ifele ikwupụta ihe na-akpa ha ekwero ha. A lot of people go through domestic violence because ha na-asị kwuo ndị chọọchị ga-achị m ọchị, ndị oyi ga-achị m ọchị, ndị nke ya achị m ọchị. My sister, you are an adult. I'm an adult. You do what pleases you, not what pleases me. Ihe na-akpa m kịta, mmekwukwa ka o si akpa m. I don't care what you call me. I don't care what you want to say that will make you feel happy. Any narrative up on nature input, yeah, if you are happy within yourself, there is no problem. Thirdly, for me, because I will handle it on my own way. You understand? I may reach out to people because in or now you are fighting your own. You are fighting your own, other everybody is fighting their own. Battle of benefit. Battle of benefit. Onye sege na or they benefit in all these things that is happening. Man only na to ase. Ogechi Okeke, the criminal lord of Chicago, is benefiting because an atoria donation behind the camera. Ndị they call there na atoria ego to support her to fight her battle because she can't fight that battle with her own personal money. So saying on now, mad apology challenge. If you do go so place, na aga saga. I expect people irrespect to inform themselves together. Now to go on their own. Now solve so many things because at the end of the day, you know not trouble justice. Justice for one is justice for all. Ogechi Okeke with justice today. O with for herself and then the Catalia. He wanted justice today. He wanted for yourself and then they use your platform to speak out for Aji Femeroha. People that always speak out, people like me, always speak out. I go na agwa I na-behave ka ụmụazị. I will pray no ọkụkọ. Nne. ịlọkọ m na bottle ọ bụ na m adịghị enwetazi oxygen I will start screaming for help. I will start screaming for help. I cannot use because ka ifele hafe ime ifele dị bụ mbụ eme ifele dị bụ mbụ eme Ogechi Okeke njaka apụtago na Facebook bebe akwa unu ga-ahapụ n'ụmụ ka nwụọ unu ga-ahapụ n'ụmụ ka nwụọ gọvanọ onye nke a unu ga-ahapụ n'ụmụ ka nwụọ ịpụta tikwe mkpu nke gị my sister ọ dị equal is a balanced equation. I appreciate the way you addressed it. Enwere onye kpọrọ iyi enwere onye kpọrọ afa anyị mụta itiwe mkpu na ihe a na-eme gị na ịlaikiri ya ịmụtara ya n'aka Ogechi bụ onye mbụ tiwarụ dị mkpu ijele mgbe a na-achụ Ogechi ka egbuo Ogechi pụta tiwe mkpu na Facebook unu ga-ahapụ n'ụmụ ka nwụọ don't worry enwere ike request for the voice ka ị play ya. There is difference between na na-enwe misunderstanding and saga. Let me tell you 001 iwe wekwana gị ma correct this impression that side isi na onye abịazina na page gị gba saga enwere onye na-agba saga
Goddess come correct again with you. Goddess come back baby come correct again. Chedunu come kunu kwe when you o biko PM come kwe when you na nya come correct am ya abuto me ba tie mkpu Ogechi bonye pụtara nwere tie mkpu na ga-ahapụ ya ka ọ nwụọ mana ihe pụtara ebe akwu obi ka onye ọbụla mara na ọmụmụ abụ onye na-sponsọzi onwe m I'm the one sponsoring myself mkpu m pụtara wee kwuo ihe njikwu ya bụ ka hapụ iwe agasị anyị ya enwe isi efirugo na ọda person ahụ na sponsor from the beginning n'ọnya mere ya although o nwere ebe ha participate o nwere nke ha mere but something happened because him ma because best known to me nye njipụta kwuo ya ebe nwere ike move lawyer mo charge him 5 million my lawyer you come me on nnukwu lawyer ka ọ bụ is a senior advocate or a son in my ama oluforo ugo kono who is can hapụ ịgba afịa but on nnukwu lawyer o bụ ụzọ bill 10 million because of my God son am ejuru you may take 5M which I beg but you move you go do 1.5 you move the 1.5 million okay for 3.5 million where so then you put away kwuo ya no dance wo put ega ka ndị mmadụ ma na ọmụ wepụtara ya get my point apụta ka m sị una ga-ahapụzi m ebe a ka nwụọ mana nke mmadụ ibezigba m na mmede undertaking na ma ya bịa na social media nkwu okwu nke aka m ekweteghị onye mkpọrọ afa mana atụsị ka I ga through details what happened we go through details what happened but I'm not here to disclose anything. I'm not here to disclose anything because nobody is perfect. You are not perfect, I'm not perfect. Man, I'm going to mano. No more with 1.5 million. My own money sent them to my lawyer. Oh, we can ask why I'm Jipota. Oh, no, I'm saying to be a team. Now, Edmund now hotel 65,000. You see, no, come can name none 30,000 a day. And more, when we get to the bridge, we will cross it. And the yes, Messiano, and was only not behind that want to give me money. It's in Messiano. A Messiano more than the mother I am. Until the end of the time, come lamp abano, those who go abada, we will abada prison. That was my reason of coming out. Ma pota. Messiano, I see Messiano, Megugonoku, and Messiamono, Meguoku. Nda, the Burum Kesi Bulabada, prison. Man, when you keep woku, people will come on your behalf. When you talk, and when they will keep the soaking, when they Diego. Oh, I'm more about our lawyer, a problem has. But on Ijikwego demand. Now, each of them not money make I know come as I can talk. People are money feel again. The money we get feel na mood okay. Already for bodo guna mood. Me we are not okay. Me we am for suffocating. Messing up mamu put in my lawyer 5 million. It's him not machine on top my man. People got to know that mom want to sponsor money. Because when we need help or we're going to go and actually them, let them give me. God is okay. How can be good to keep what is good? So I'm getting okay. She and we'll kiss on the with your goya. A gum ganji 1.5 or you want that amount from my pocket. Chineke if I alive and not chapel queen, make I no see her. I go count for the man 1.5 million. I ain't going to take the man. Can I put the gas? In my mom case, I say, God has a material number, can send that okay for you. The animated call on the Lagos, all on the Abuja. Move only 300,000. You put 1.2. I could make it 1.5. What's the move go on? Come at Abuja. Oh, you go. It's my money. So I put an idea come see machine. Because in machine, if there's anybody that want to help me, they will not come. Because they go to say I do okay where I did. They go to say I do okay where I did. Based on people where they involve. People go to say maybe I do okay. But things are not where. If I'm not getting money, nobody's hotel. I'm gonna go wherever. 30,000. I got money cheaper one. 30,000. I go 3 days, 90,000. A plate of food is about 12,000. Now me they eat, now me they pay everything. So will you tell me not to talk? And we people that can come in to assist me, is in machine. My brother, not to call about poor, not made to go undertaking the my work. It's not possible. I'm not fighting anybody. They tried. I appreciate. And it's the first lawyer how lawyer lawyer and Galoku, age 3 days, age from now to August. They also pay the lawyer. But I don't think we're going to involve. When we get to the bridge, we'll cross it. I actually we go now for the lawyer. When I buy only me, I just pick a poor cooked up when you're going to have an aunt. When you will me when I'm going to go to house, they go to house. I said, I'm the believer. I'm the believer. When they go, when I was crying, she mean I used to make I go inside, make I no come out, come make noise. Yes. I was crying, but I was crying. You were saying not go inside, not only me. I'm not going, but then Egypt this one now. I work and they make anybody. Mother they begin a hotel and I put 23,000 at least for 8 days. Maybe 10 days of the least. They tried. Or too easy. Mama, there is more to that, but I don't want to go that side. How when he was in the way, imagine him do banana. I akubukomo. Oh, Meshion, will I close mouth? I don't close mouth now. Allow more. I'm not on the call. Since 3 days ago, I'm not on the call. Since 3 days, I cannot come do now. but it is alright. I put up on say when I have to see me back. But what I'm saying is that it means you queer in a mean nature and if you get you about saga. No geshi ba se mara na nke Oluchibenko and Nkeshibenko. We jeba saga we bido. I'm going to go no contribute to this my platform here. Then I want to know why. Oh, Geisha about saga because of anything, not because of Agamemnon Oluchibenko and Nkeshibenko. That was the baby saga we bido. Go and verify. And I need the team up with Eba. Can the word man no Geshi ne maru? No Geshi in Jacoho ne maru. Can the show up no Geshi Pusini Kotom why? Here a big platform, a hospital, Kachawa no Geshi name. Keki si bazie, it was a Kahalium. We can also with the hammer, they don't know what is happening. From what is happening for their own, they feel say I'm good. They feel say I do okay, I'm good. Meanwhile, I'm dying here. But I'm dying under the Mefa, make a feel my mood okay. But on there on the normal, I forgive face where they might come out and assist. Oto geji security, but one thing can abali yego. Okay, to go on and on me. Okay, should to the 1 mile. Put to 1 mile, 1 mile about dear. Oh, man, one day, but I'm ego. So, Kamala Malo, because in Kabia, or you will get your plus market, you will have one gate saga. Copy who could tell him with him, them mother, who could call him case. Who could call him, but I'm the gate petition, who couldn't call her. Meanwhile, Jim Cage a create awareness and the one that was on Tawa and Maki. I won't that one laugh, I put it generally. More that because Ogeshi and her people, they are cooperating. I don't know cooperating, they are cooperating. When I know nobody hear their voice. How know that WhatsApp, I contribute to ego. When you see me go can leave, you know you're not can leave. Yeah, I'm do to I contribute to go now. One chill go to Alabama. You need always one night I'm not here. But I don't can even Monday guy and
Butu. Enwe nchọrọ ikwu nkekwa m ntị okwu a nchọrọ ikwu ihe wutekwana gị because m na-ekwu ka obi m si wee gwa m and the observation mfụ ifuru Ogechi Okeke Okeọtọ Ogechi Okeke bịara TikTok wee na-ere anya na TikTok wee chọwa nwaanyị na-epulu weight ọfụrụ ya ọ bụrụ gị ka ọfụ Ogechi Okeke true nika anyị gwakwa nwaanyị the truth but behind the camera na their WhatsApp group ọ bụrụ ihe na-eme na their WhatsApp group bụ ihe na-afụ na TikTok Ogechi Okeke eburugo gị n'obi right from day one ọ bịa TikTok fụ na ị na-epulu crowd ọ just welu Oluchibenko na Nkeshibenko setie gị up because ọma na ị nwere pride die and they are not ready to give up.
I disagree with you. Ogechi eburu m n'obi. Ogechi amara onye mbụ. Ogechi amaghị onye mbụ.
Ogechi is a jealous of progress.
Ogechi amara onye mbụ. Onye Ogechi na-agbasa ebe a bụ Nkeshibenko and Oluchibenko. Ogechi never know me. When Ogechi dey eme otu ihe. mana ịta ụtụkwa nọ m ka o bu n'obi ifekwe echi m dị ọkụ ifere ọhụm ka o bu n'obi ịta ụtụọ na isi m ka Ogechi bu n'obi mba were etikwana n'isi m agwa nkụ na ọ bụrụ m ka Ogechi bu n'obi ekwechi ya m dị ọkụ ifu na ọhụm ka o bu n'obi ọmụ onye mbụ ọ na-ebu m n'obi ọ na-agba m saga Ogechi na omi Ogechi ọmụ onye mbụ Ogechi amụrụ onye mbụ Ogechi amụrụ onye mbụ iwe Ogechi today bụ na m jikpọtara ndị Facebook go and verify iwe Ogechi taa na m ga-abụje ndị Facebook ọ iwe Ogechi ọsị m na Ogechi bụ m n'obi ka ebe Ogechi sipụrụ m n'obi isi mụ na Ogechi gbelu ọkụ emechara mezie ya Ogechi osị na mbụsa m gala nke Nkechi Benko na ị ga-agba m saga wee si ya na-asị na ide mmeri ya we are nobody to tell me where to go. You can't tell me where to go. I'm not scared of you. Ngaza na nke Nkechi Benko Ogechi wee say it be wazie m saga we say everybody na Nigeria nwere okwu bewazie na page ka ha bakwana gịnị mee ihe ha na media dey see them and they block all of them. Any of them if okita mgba saga na imano mbe ewote send them na WhatsApp come from we joy and beer saga I block go hancha mo Ogechi go to go don't block everybody. Asino Ogechi bu no be ma saga Ogechi le bu no be ma saga o unu go nka se mi fa asizem ni yi na ko Ogechi wase unu ko this one Ogechi we oji bu no be ma saga ule ti ko na ni simdo
asịkwa m na Ogechi bụ gị n'obi ịgbasaga mba asị mụ Ogechi bata TikTok chelụ na onye a na-ekpegbukwanụ onye na-anwụgodo anwụ ya azala ọnụ ya agwa gị sị gị na Ogechi ka m kwuo onye ihe nkwu comment section ahịa ka m kwuo onye nkwuru ọ bụ na nsịla asị let them say it asị gị na Ogechi batarụ TikTok ka I repeat ihe m kwuru then ha bịazie ha sị na ihe m kwuru na two different things abịa m ebe a asị m let me repeat what I said ka I repeat ihe m kwuru ka I repeat ihe m kwuru bụkọta mmadụ na-abụ ha sị na asị ka m sịrị then I will say sorry let me say what I said asị gị
Agaha. You said Ogechi have a jelly on mind. No Ogechi be jelly no bro. That's what you meant.
Let me repeat.
That's what
let
you
me
meant.
retweet.
Yes. So we're talking.
Just imagine. I said I did not get to be an open saga, but you did not add the first one. Abumo maze na to Ogechi ujo esiko Ogechi ejebonye asị na Ogechi abatago TikTok wee na-arị anya full ijele as a threat bully n'obi because now they pull weight so anybody bịa na nke ijele bịa kwuo story ya no it will affect her because of one of the kind view ijele nwe ọ dịghị ede when he was there Benko said say up any mistake ijele ga-eme ka o nwike gbanwe ya saga that is what I said awụmụ ụmụazị Ogechi gbalụ Ogechi na-eme NGO allow me talk Tina allow me to talk Ogechi na-eme NGO na Facebook wee n'anya fụ na okpuru ọla ga-abụ problem to her obido gbawa okpuru ọla saga unprovoked without them onye okpuru ọla mere ya without anybody okura so anywhere she comes onanya ochu onye ga-abụ a threat to her oburu onye ahụ n'obi Ogechi ya kwugodi ihe valụ Nkoli mere ya for one day can Ogechi tell Nkoli who to love and who to support I know what I said trust Ogechi at your own risk so nwanne m ijele just follow your mind. Whatever thing that your mind is tell you to do, do it. We can't love you less. Whatever thing your mind advises you to do, do it. Ịkwọrọ mmadụ n'azụ, kwọrọ ya ọfụma. Ma ịma nkwọ mmadụ n'azụ, ịkwọtuo ya.
I think her network is disturbing, no?
All this is together, just about to say answer. And no get you no be na agba asa without the bido n'ebe okwu mu bido. You just cut through ya n'etiti.
I don't know the way TikTok is amazing. I think her network is disturbing. Ijele, yeah? Ijele, please, 1 minute. I think that decision, this decision you make to stay on your own, and everybody going on and all over. Yeah.
Nima Abale, Anomnia. Whatever that you are doing, use your wisdom. That's the only thing I can say. She's there for you. How will I answer you? Because I'm not the very noise. No? Which I get there. You know,
her network is disturbed.
oh, that means so no guy him neku. Maybe I'm not the noise.
Me, I love calm decision don't make you know, to stay on her own. Nobody should come to her page and saga or everything. I love that decision she made for herself.
Because Ijele kidriyam kuru. Ebem no the too noisy. Kidriyam kuru. My network ginyere so. Goddess.
Okay. Okay, sweet joy. Nezie now.
No, I don't want to. I try me make that no balloon. Ima abo mo nyenya, but the only thing I'm trying you to taya wano. Goddess, she's there for you. Sorry to say that. She's there for you. Just use your wisdom. All right? On him there because I'm not the very noisy, but I'm sick. I'm going to check it in everything that you're doing. Just
And what do you do? And why you know no because
what I don't tell arguments and which is Ndiro that they go on to ya they can wear house na chebiam. Just use your wisdom. No, I'm not the noisy. I'm poor.
Sweet, all right. The only thing the devil, if you wake me up 100 times, I will still repeat whatever thing I said. Anything that your mind tells you to do, go ahead and do it. Simple. Go ahead. I said it countless times. Any go, if any battle upon and when they benefit. If Iran and America about war, ndị na-ele egbe na benefit. You understand? So any war buna a na-agba when they benefit. I just want you to know and understand that before mmadu emewe mmadu ibia attack, because to me onwere imere Ogechi Okeke, you did not do anything. If Ogechi did not see greatness in you, for you to turn her down, him and join cartel is a slap on her face, because she always feels that she's in control. Or not that control, she always feels that she's in control. And second, you try to join a cartel, can you major happy with voice? Can you major happy with voice? And God have used you as a voice to expose all these the gullible wants to learn or fall a victim. imego ka ihe eme drọpụzie ọ bụrụ na ndị ji of platform wee na-ekwu the things Ogechi na-eme cannot come together and form a WhatsApp group to support you. My dear, do whatever thing your mind tells you to do. Because ihe na-egbu mmadụ bụ packaging, fake life. Fake it until you make it. Honestly, blessing CEO na prison. But tomorrow that there is no success without war. There is no progress without battle. There is no success without battle. You understand? If Ogechi could not defeat you now, she will not defeat you again. Oguenoro now is for future occurrence. Many people the awareness have been created. Many people are digging away that Ogechi is like this. Ogechi battery TikTok, where forget as a mouse speak, where forget as only pulu view. Anybody be on a page can complain, it will go viral. She saw you as a threat. I will still repeat it 100 times. Ogechi na forget as a threat. Because I get Ogechi for 5 and 6 today. She will never be happy. Offer a body gift. Offer how you are happy. Offer how people appreciate you. She will still have that enviness within her, no matter how she pretends. You can fight grace, but you will not win grace. You can fight grace, but you cannot win grace. You understand? So just make your choice. If you feel like, because to me, I am not happy. I am not happy. Obro that now, not together is not a kind of imago. Like Ogechi, Njako Koto. All the people, Badi Okirikiri, hand on our WhatsApp group. Now they donate Diego. You understand? Even how much issue, they sort it out there. Imagine Ogechi dining with a woman, not Toriana Abara. Just to prove a point. Ijelote in Okita, no na mo abu goddess to Ogena Abara. The secret are pota. Will you still be dining with me? Okay? That is to show you how desperate Ogechi is. Ogechi can eat dead body. Ogechi can eat dead body just to prove a point. She has always been a loser. She can use her mouth to make you feel to feel less of. Ogechi Okeke, anom na aha mo tegenonu yesterday. Listen to me. Nna atarapa n'obi. Yes. Ogechi I'm already in the gutter. I'm already in the mud. You can't roll me into shame. No. You can't do that. You understand? TikTok is a very big place. Face your own. Kijele face here. Only upon another room here. Mopukwa magane create awareness. Page Benko family. I and never create awareness. You can do nothing. You are just a ranter, a blackmailer, and a cheap slut. Oh yeah. I pity people that are believing in you. You are a ranter. You are challenging Ijele. Come out from hiding. Let them arrest you. Ogechi, we be in Nigeria. We are hiding from police for 3 months. From one bush to another. From one hideout to another. From one bush to another. For 3 months. Do you want us to start playing the videos? Ogechi, to the extent that you will come online on Facebook and you will be in darkness. You will not bring out your face so that I can have you dictate your location. Come on, shut up. We learn from you. I learned how to beg 5,000 from you. Because Mirabe, you blackmailed Mirabe and Shehanu because she could not balance your equation. She could not give you back your percentage. So you are the co-founder, the CEO of begging, CEO of donation, CEO of hiding from police. Lelegi, what else? Come on, bring it on. Nina ano ahia ano mpama. When I to go job, will you be a sibege bonye? If you can eat the money donated on Pagi, why won't I eat 5,000? Because I don't want 5 for can get up. Now I go the monaho. When I basaga de rini. Nequonyala. If you see somebody is ugly, white people call black people monkey. Do put the monkey. Do put a monkey, the monkey and niru. Is monkey beautiful? Is monkey handsome? Ndi ocha na akpọ ndị blacks monkey omaroma na eno gi oge cha agụrụ gị ka esi agụ Bible. I read you like novel. Ihe ndị ebele m na-eme bụ ndị na-amara onye ewu agụrụ gị otu esi agụ onye esi agụ akwụkwọ. You are building soldiers against Ijele. They will still come back to Ijele and be on her boss. Okwaya 001. God Racing was once on Ijele's box. See, Ijele, I respect you. Ijele, Iba Agwani. Ijele, Nabagisa can we can grow my page. Onya Palapagia. Okay, keep sharing money. Do contribution, do donation. We don't give an F. Facebook and TikTok is not the same. Facebook and TikTok is not the same. If you can allow somebody to get ROC7 to be around you, why won't Ijele allow the majority to be around her? In Apuala. You said it, Ijele Gahapota, they are confessed, Ijele Gahapota, they are work Hasiaga. Yes. The same way go up Potaro. They are Macadala Naturu Gego Saga. The same way go up Potaro. Between the Nine Naturu Gego because of what the in a man who 1 night I gave Bagurunia. Esecha esetoro. Go and sit down. We learn how to beg from you. Nakagi Kaimotaya. Ijele power. 001. Bring the good news. 001 power. 001 power. 001 power.
No.
001 power.
Who never knew? Okay. Oh, we can call. Okama. Kama no muja kamuwe no lo mo ko she fire. Ko abi wonu cho ogwa. Somebody after will alcohol. Okama kam jula kam no ogwa. Don't feel disappointed. Please. Maga obo na mmesi ono. Let me tell you the reason why njiku oku a. Na ye njiku oku a. Mmesi ono. People will not believe that I can do something on my own without the help of anybody. People will not believe that I can do something on my own without the help of anybody. And don't worry, other people are so my son. I'm all yes, something, contact, always something on her own without the help of anybody. My neighbor will be if you must use my page to be If you must use my page to create any awareness, whether bullying anybody, since we can't come together, I'll be only one to spend this money. I don't mind. I go spend the money. But do not come to my page to bully Ogechi. Hence, Ogechi is concerned. About no one Ogechi will Ogechi will anything. I swear to God in heaven. What do gonna be like? Contact Injo Ogechi Julia. Contact Inji. Ogechi no get time. But I don't want to use that man for no reason. For the other the man will go on her own. Just only Anna's course. How can I pretend there? I'm with my own contact, but they go Kamejiro. Show one. Like a button lawyer. Money ego, come what you see. So, Egypt, I can make it anybody. I swear to God. Man, I want to make a quote. I may chaifa. Man, make a packet or yamel, Monobro yamel. Or you can made that thing. Monobule made that thing. So no come no more and I run my thing on my own. Comment section. I want to make with the do not support me. Wanna make with the yes, I want to put everything to an end. I will not get you major. Go create your own account. Use your account to drag your geshi. Go and create your own account. Use your account, drag your geshi. But if you must use my platform to drag her, if I have problem, you must come out. I'm not scared of Ogeshi. And when you Ogeshi alone, but this is not Ogeshi that I don't see any way. I don't care any here. I'm not about who you knew. You know, to China, go to China. Just man, no talk, man, no man. I just stand the watch. I go there, or you didn't marry her, or you didn't marry her. If you go see with the contact, or you didn't marry her, how come? Titi in jail, a beggar in jail, Chucha, how come? I wish that lady and more chilly, Madame Mapura for any see. On a level, I can tell you, we know. No, they make noise. No, they make noise. I am very sorry if I disappoint any of you. I am sorry. Like I did. If I disappoint any of you, I'm very sorry. But don't record it. If you did to in a balamomba. It is 200,000. It is not balamomba. It is 200,000. Ashi mele moti ya neti na bamba. Na ashi mele moti. Saga win. Iga won this year. I don't blame you. You are laughing. Although to move the kebe mo here. But I'm moving now because who know with the bro. All my people make it here mo. It's never your fault. Do you expect me to go inside? I cannot go inside. If I go inside, you're not going to say I don't put 1.5 M for this month and my own money. You're not going to say I don't put 1.5 M with my own money. Let me block you. You could have stayed one place and watched the film. But since you keep commenting nonsense, I block. Go and come with another account. That's why you don't get sense. You know, see if you laugh, I must block you. Or you go and get another account so that Abia will not buy jumper. Abia will not buy jumper. Oh, you're not a wood and a hola. Happy see Jelly can walk and fall. Everybody in a wood, Jella hola. All my people may give an church. But you don't to get you decoded. No to get you. How decoded? Yama. Ogeshi on 1 mile. Ogeshi is a hungry bitch. Hungry muchech. Should they put 1 mile? Now her people, they get them when they give them. Man, after you so. Thank you. Very coded. Even if you know Igbo, but I will account ya Tina a year ago. I am a buloka to go up on what internet and I resign a year ago. I go na go Geshi. O Gesha da Loro. Government na go Geshi Obo. Obi na government house. Or that Ubu no Bro Igbo. O Geshi is a jobless woman being. But oh, yeah, this. Yes! Disappointed I gave one you. Because of uno, and about no. Oriak is a very nice person. In my next world, I would have loved to meet somebody like Oriak. I'm not sure Dita. I'm not sure Dita. Person like Oriak, Oriak is a man of wisdom. Oriak is a man of wisdom. Oriak is making sense. Oriak mmadụ. Oriak na ma. Na achọ di. Ụdị mmadụ Oriak bịalụ di. Maga. Is a peaceful man. In as much as not warlord called, he's a warlord and he's also a peaceful man. He's a man of wisdom. Oriak who is Solomon in the Bible. And with wisdom. But no one able to say make mistake in about him brain. About your kumakam. Because you want to please them. Even if there's an voice. You don't do that to me. Because you want to please them. You don't even have that fault. Now have that fault. In as much as they respect you. With the little one I've seen with my crocodile eyes. They respect you. How will they spend the ego, but they respect you. But because of that, I be a see a legacy with the mass. A papa call, a cook of me who confirm away. Yes! And I be a son of men, woman of mother can say, don't tell me that. If you don't want me to respect you, Oriako, if you don't want me to love you like a brother, if you don't want me to inherit you like a cartel, if you don't want to be so Oriako when we give a page back, anybody better put a muff away. Oriako never give me 1 naira, but the guy put a man of wisdom. Oriako is lovable. Oriako is a darling. Oriako we darling. Oriako we mad. And I'm actually introvert. Mother Oriako very better to me. Man, no, I'm a liar. Last story Oriako we mad. Oriako is a good man. When I call you on kita kokas chaya house, hey, we contact him double. Contact him double week. Because can the money man ego move 1.5 million is in behind your biko. Hey! 1.5 million. My 1.5 M on top my money. I can't say beg. Back. If you no agree make I bring that 1.5, you are going. You say make I come, a big guy, a whole celebrity. This one mama. Opposite I go buy fish. I go buy fish. For inside village with the Abuja. I go buy food stuff. I come off road. Uber driver beat me. The first Uber driver slapped me. Is it because I don't tell Oriako? I'm ashamed to talk him. I'm ashamed to talk him. I don't know as I want to talk him. That's why I know great also they slap me. Uber driver slapped me. That was why I was crying. That time why I climbed on top box. I begin to cry. I say, look at me because I go buy fish. If you say they give me transport, they go reach Uber driver go slap me. If Uber tells you that 10K, that's 30,000, Uber go slap me. Uber no go slap me now. I no talk. I say Biela. I come outside. They won't take my bag. I enter one chance. One chance where I enter. They carry the same bag with my own. Join them together. I can't say. Now they won't carry my own. Then they begin the black bag. Like I secure the bag. If bag of that fish lost, what they go do me? My life go end. I was busy securing the bag of the fish, and they put me on call because I was not concentrated when I was really busy dragging the bag. And the person contacted me say, "Me I dey Iberibe." They disappointed in me. Say me I dey Iberibe. Market where I go in the morning, come back almost 11, 12. All the way went fall off my body. I never call anybody name. All the way went fall off my body. I miss Lord. I dey stranded. Pick call, make it tell me the name of my hotel room because I don't forget. I don't know road. The street. I remember the hotel room, but the street. Pick call, make it tell me what's up. They don't agree pick call. They come they beg. Baby, please now, pick call, baby, please. For market where I go. Today again, Uber, come they call me, they threaten me. Say they don't carry this when I go to police. I enter Uber, no gree pay money. Since 3 days, now me call Uber man, now me call you. Am I the one that call you, Obama? Because this year I go come back. They won't make I come back. And this year I go come back. I don't go beg now because I don't put almost 1 million plus. So why would I beg? I'm not a thousand. Maybe go to Lazum. I'm not a thousand. Will I copper? No. I'm making a yakuno by me. It may want some for law. All good, you know, I'm looking me arrest. Arrest down, Tony.
In that main job. Where been I gonna? God forbid. Where been I gonna? If we go to knock, where been I gonna? In a shirika. Where been I gonna? Enjoy yourself.
Okay, she. Oh, be good enough to no matter what about see, now come. Make una never jubilate. No na wait. Cherum ko set here. Okay, chaya go on score. Soon you think we need more. Una go scream. See, jay. We don't go power. Last young. Hey. Oh, quite can you go ask now? One number of saga. Mama, you go 2 million. You got 2 million. No, Sunday, no, Mongolia.
Ego now. Ian and Saga will be ego.
Which one of the choir? You then you go. Oh, the family, I not check you. Or the one can hope that you go. Go and verify. Go and verify. Or the one can hope that you go. You know, the 2M. I go tell us if you are lodging where one half of your week in a form, ma. Hey,
Mama, good afternoon. How far?
only an average on week. An average on week. On we are over. Oh, more. I don't feel that. I don't feel that.
Oh, good afternoon.
We don't be up. You know, the bar.
Okay, man.
I'm not gonna bounce up. You could don't die, keep us our drama. You could don't keep us with the drama. How songs of that? How come I can pursue us? Una biscona. No, maybe a blue man brought 1 year because the way you melon. Why a music come again?
Hey, what up?
I think maybe go 5M. What here? You will know when you want to buy me.
Hey, what's up? What's up?
If not, you go to a super boss with the court or Abia. Bah, Chambia.
Hey, what's up, baby girl? What's going on, baby girl? Everything good?
I probably got infection here. Munu get more about. Now, I don't want to go about. Okay, make it on some now, but you know, I'm not going to go anyhow. Eh? And where didn't ban a queer back? Can I go infection ever? Eh? No, no, that's somebody all this my moderator. I'm going to not make yours ever. A man who has done about Madumba. kita mma agba afa or create ya awareness mbe ndekọ infection ebum infection no n'ikpu ya gịnị na nke oge ejijere ọgwụ infection unu mutuzie una na amụ ma amụ sandu onye anwụrụ amụ na ebe anwụwa anwụrụ bata ime uto gị na amụ ma amụ gụ na shuga amamna gụ na shuga na-ebu infection
ọkwa dịka a bịara amụziri dịka a bịara amụ ọ dịka a bịara amụziri abịakwute anyị gị maka abịakwutere amụziri gị dayet ị nọrọ abọrị anụ nsị na ọkwa ijele a na-amụziri dayet bụ ihe ijele nọrọ esere akwara anụ
infection unu bụ na anakwa ana mgbe bụrụ enyi unu nwoke unu ekwanyere ụmụnne m onu chuga ekwujọrọ m ọnụ ekwujọrọ m ọnụ
I'm we there with you. We there with you. Nothing there happen.
Mbagodo nga you there with me.
I be Abuja na mu accept sorry never here no. You want to go? So I say na tame so no na atago. Even pretty is quite yes now. Pretty, but got there like yes now. Pretty.
Ijele.
Okay. Sugar, what alpha? Urobashu. In a quafuma? Sago. I go everywhere now.
In the politics now.
Ejele justice for widow. Ejele justice for widow. To all widow ego ejele.
So if I don't know now, I can quarrel. I am not going to say bido.
Oh, we say na na se wage. Eba na adore. Ogo na adore ma kwa no.
Ogo na kwa.
Ha, ogo if you got the video. Okay, now.
Imedi aro. Imedi ta.
Oga na otu na apia akwa. Asai na oborila akwa. I kwe man ya ma bro obere. On God I not can go put on a live bella if you akwa before. O we be lota. Na mu de ye bo na agwo. Ọ na-agwụra. Ọ na-agwụra ndị na-akpọ ụtara.
Anụ ụra ahụ ọ na-agwa anyị vidoro ya postu amanụ m ma onye ji ikpu ya ma m ise na lai ngwa gaa ebe ahụ gaa na peji ọngọ ga-anọrọ ebe ahụ na lai anyị na-atụzi ashị shiara ọgụmma.
God love me. Onye abụọ God. Una block where? Block where no ya. Aka nto ji marụ. Oh God be ya.
As in EJ, that girl yeah, our fake. Akwa he you fake there. Ọkwanye ofe. Akwụkwọ na-ebecha. Ebidoro m rekọdụrụ m ya na ọ nọ ya nọ. Eji m ya nọ. M ga-ese ndị na group.
Send them my personal WhatsApp ozugbo ka m pịa ya. Ka m suo ya ozugbo. Ọ na-rekọdụ ndị mmadụ ọ na-atọ emezie ewu ntụbe emezie akwa. Ọ na-agwụọla. Ịma na I go content taa. I don't give you content. Mana ịmara ihe afọ na benye content oge echi. I don't give you content o. Ọ gị ma na them out iwepụta ego so case. Ọ yi ya mata. Enye ngụ content o. So ihe ama ebe ga channel your content. Ịmara if you use your wisdom. Mmechara uche ọnụ na onye ọbụla ga-agala onwe ya na ịpụta buru ihe mburu ya ọkọtụkọ ya ebe what nonsense ihe mere ya bụ ụmụ nwanne ọmụmụ na ọrụ emerigo m onweghị emerili m you just watch and see. Anada yo jenu kunukuwe emana he believe na me opta ngudire ga ela ya ko change yo they no believe am but wala Nta. Mekuye mmemme ha. Ọ emechazie mbeze post wezi online. Emechi ife anyị eme abeze post we online. Don't worry. Nikon, never going to go home. I'm saying about it about dinner page about saga. Dinner page about saga. Abuno, Mamma, now what for now? If you get I told me you could already have Pogish. Ukwela, already have Pogish. And what did I say? Nam talk out or use God blessing as a weapon of saga. And when any of us secretary making and page God blessing, put all Ogeshi. A bit of Tori ego. Another person is the kid of Pokrepo. I make we a group. Where's I may go? Come on,
we get baby. It's if I have Pokrepo on a blacklist. Pokrepo I have back on a blacklist. It's a pressure for now. I no Mahayanga. I am on the list now.
Mayday. They show you she or use God bless contribute to ego. A perima. Ogurubinka. Anna Ogurubinka. Anna Ogurubinka. Anna Ogurubinka. Anna
Mana onwe ka o si agba the saga. Ọ na-aga na page oge. ha ncha na-agba ha na-aga na peji oge so onye na-afụbe na-agbasa ga-awụ kpọkịrịkpọ dị ka ọ narụgo ego na rie
mana agba m na-agwa na ha agba m nọ na ego ọwa agba m na-agwa
come all these people watching Ijere this together no carry news from anywhere come here whatever topic I need don't go and tell us onye na-asaga onye na-come no onye ọbụla na-aza sugar baby ma ndị na-aza so many fake accounts akwụrụ news bịa here na mpịa unu blocking
very useless people
Unama nju account number ka etinye ego na-ajụkwara ya ma origo nni taa ọ ịbịa na-akọ akụkọ onye a na-asaga they are all growing their pages iche na onweche na asaga across anywhere ihe anyị ma bụ nke Facebook emechakwa as far as Ijele have said na ya chọrọzie na page let's respect her she has done her part play go part ya and forever we appreciate her for that. Onye gbuo onwe ya join ya. Ị na-abịa akọla anyị na racing na saga ka imezie gịnị we be racing. The same racing wey come here, wey come beg Ijele. See, I respect you. Someone, good morning. Onye dere that thing na comment section. Onye dere that thing na comment section.
Ọ bụkwa na m fan gị awọnọghọ m feka ajụ na na-azị ahụ racing n'ọka mụ na ga na-akwa na-eso ụkwa one of your fan anọrọ m feka account ọ ajụjụ ịjụ ka m sara gị
mba ya eso and I want to fan atufu let me approach you it's all right
okay.
Thank you
Okay, thank you.
So
Because
this is what okay I want to plan I want to about saga the ball with saga okay the ball with saga all comes to try make it up but oh bet you about saga but what is saga Uga mo ge shojo oba mi saga mama mi saga
biko nwekwa ihe nchọrọ ịyọ gị ịbịa nso ka m kwuba ọmụkwuwa
nna m ị na-ekwu toilet kan toilet uno sana kan ebe TikTok right because I'm the hotel okay fair wonder woman
tap on your screen. I don't know if it's Jealous Network or my network. Please, if you're on comment section and you can hear me, type yes. And Marcos on my side.
Mm.